All right. Hello, good morning, students. How are you all?
I'm fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. After a long time, I hope you all are safe, right? So, as you have come here after a long break, so today I'm going to teach you that how you going to attend your reading test. কিভাবে তোমরা তোমাদের reading testটা attend করবে সেটা শেখাচ্ছি, okay? So you all have finished all the storybooks of level 1, right? All the books, right? So level 1 থেকে আমরা first start করব. So there are so many books. So suppose I'm giving you one example with the story The Ugly Duckling. This is also from level 1, right? So exam-এ তোমাদের কিভাবে কি প্রশ্ন আসবে আমি এটা তোমাদের আজকে বোঝাবো. First one will be match the words with their meaning. So here you will have 10 words and on that side you will have 10 options of their meanings. But the meanings are not organized. That means সাজানো নেই, এলোমেলো ভাবে মিনিং গুলো দেয়া আছে, তোমাদেরকে পড়ে পড়ে বুঝে ম্যাচ করতে হবে. Suppose what is number A?
Ugly.
Ugly. So there are lots of meanings. What can be the answer? Can anyone say?
Not beautiful.
Yes, ugly, that means not beautiful. So how will you write that in your copy? Of course you have to write in your summary writing copy, okay? So you will write number 1, then you will write A. So not beautiful, that means number 6, right? You will write A plus 6. Clear? So let's try with number B. What is in number B? Beautiful. So what is the meaning of beautiful? Can anyone say? Beautiful duck? No. Read it. There are lots of options. Attractive means সুন্দর and beautiful means সুন্দর. So beautiful, attractive. B plus 1. So let's start with C. What is the number C? Duckling. What will be the answer of duckling? No, duckling. ছোট হাঁসের বাবু. Baby duck. Right? So you will write C plus 9. Understood? Does anyone have any question? So you have understood number 1, right? Number 2 will be rearrange the jumbled words. Wait, let me zoom it. So number 2 will be rearrange the jumbled words. That means here you will have 10 questions again, and in each point you will have some word and the letters are unorganized. That means letter গুলোকে আমরা এলোমেলো করে দিয়েছি. Suppose what's my name? Nadia, right? If I write A D I N A, so is it Nadia? No, right? So you have to organize that. Nadia, like that. So suppose number A, number 2 you will write like this, number 2 then A. So what can be the answer of number A? Easy? So you have to write like this, ugly. What will be the answer of number B?
Time.
Sure? Yes, time. So you have to write like this and you have to complete till J. Clear, number 2? Any question? Okay. Now number 3 is take the correct answer, like MCQ. You know how to solve this, right? But as you will have this question on your screen or on your mobile phone, will you able to tick that? No. So you have to write the answer in your copy also. How will you write it? You have to write like this. Number 3, then A. Okay, read the question number A, please.
How many eggs were there?
And you have 3 options. 1 is 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. What is the correct answer? How many eggs were there? 7. That means option number 2. You have to write like this, A2. Then let's try with B. Read the question, please. Read this question.
How many ducks were beautiful?
Okay. Number 2, 6 ducklings were beautiful. So you have to write like this, B2. You don't need to write 6. You don't need to write 7. Okay. In short, have you understood number 3?
Yes.
Any question?
Yes.
Okay, let me teach you number 4. Okay, number 4 is filling the blanks with the suitable words from the box. That means you will get a box. In the box, you will have lots of options. Highest 10 options, or you may have 5 options or 6. You have to use the words from the box and you have to fill up the blanks. Now, suppose you have 5 options, that means 5 words. So, will you cry, I have only 10 questions and 5 words, how can I solve it? Will you cry? No, that means among those 5 words, you have to use one word twice or thrice time. That means একটা word তোমার 2 বার অথবা 3 বারও ব্যবহার হতে পারে কোয়েশ্চেনের ক্ষেত্রে. So in this paper you have 10 options, lucky. So read question number 8 please. Okay, once upon a time there were dash eggs and you have so many options. What will be the correct answer? 7. So you have to write like this 4a and you have to write down the answer. Here you have to write in word, okay? You have to write 7. Then number B, 6. 6 ducklings were what? Beautiful. So you have to write 4b and you have to write the word beautiful. Thus you will complete till J. Is it clear? All right. Next one is number 5. It's true, false. You have to read all the statements, that means all the given sentences. If the statement is true, you will write T, only T. You don't need to write true. If the statement is false, you have to write F. That means তোমার যদি সেন্টেন্সটা ট্রু হয়, সত্য হয়, গল্পের সাথে মিলে, তুমি সেন্টেন্স নাম্বার দিয়ে লিখবা T. আর যদি ফলস হয়, মিথ্যা হয়, তুমি নাম্বার দিয়ে লিখবা F. Okay, let's try A and B. You have to write like this 5, then A. So what is the answer of A? Once upon a time, there were 5 A's. Is it true? False. So you will write what? F. Now read number B, please. 6 ducklings were beautiful. What is the correct answer? Sure. How many ducklings were beautiful, Baba? No, there were 7 eggs. Among those 7 eggs, 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. That means this answer is true. 6 ducklings were beautiful. Thus, you will complete till J. Have you understood till 5? Does anyone have any question? Sure. Baba? Clear? Now, number 6. In number 6, you have to answer the following questions. And you have to write in a sentence. That means if I ask you, what is your name? If you tell Nadia, no, you have to tell like this or write like this, my name is Nadia Sultana Kono. So you have to write in full sentence. So read question number 8. How many eggs were there? Yes, there were 7 eggs. Of course, you have to write in a sentence, and the sentence must be in past tense or future tense. For storybook, you have to write in past tense. Of course, your past tense. I asked you, what should be the sentence? Will it be in past tense or in future tense or present tense? Tell me. Past tense? Yes, of course in past tense. For that, we also have given you the questions in past tense. Okay? But if you have any question in the form of present tense, you have to write in present tense. So you have to observe the question. Is it in past tense or future tense or present tense? If it is in past tense, you have to write in past tense. Clear? And number 7 is your favorite. You do it all the time. Write down the summary of the story. Which story? The Ugly Duckling. That means on the story you are attending the exam, you have to write down the summary of that story. Okay? We will give you this question in your WhatsApp group today or tomorrow. Okay? Number 8. Okay? Number 8 is rearrange. Rearrange the sentences and you have to make meaningful story. That means here you will have 10 sentences. A to J, that means তোমাকে 10টা সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে। এই 10টা সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে পুরো আমরা স্টোরিটা কভার করে ফেলেছি। We have covered the full story, The Ugly Duckling, with these 10 sentences. এই 10টা সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে তোমার স্টোরি A to Z প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত কভার করা আছে, বাট সেন্টেন্সগুলো হচ্ছে আনঅর্গানাইজড, এলোমেলো ভাবে এগুলো সেন্টেন্সগুলো দেয়া আছে। তোমাদেরকে এটা সাজিয়ে একটা স্টোরি বানাতে হবে। স্টোরিটা কোনটা হবে? দি আগলি ডাকলি। এবার বলি তোমরা এটার আনসার কিভাবে লিখবা। You will write 8, then you have to make a table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you have to make a table like this and you have to write down the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, এরপরে টেবিলটা বানিয়ে তোমরা হচ্ছে গিয়ে খাতার মধ্যে সব রেখে দিবা। আগে তোমাদের সবগুলো সেন্টেন্স পড়তে হবে মন দিয়ে, ঠিক আছে? টেবিল বানিয়ে বসে পড়বে না আমাকে এখন সলভ করতে হবে, এটা করা যাবে না। তোমাদেরকে আগে সেন্টেন্সগুলো রিড আউট করতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু রিড অল দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস অ্যাটেন্টিভলি, মন দিয়ে পড়তে হবে। দেন তুমি সলভ করা স্টার্ট করবে। কিভাবে সলভ করবে? ফার্স্ট এভরিওয়ান রিড অল দ্য সেন্টেন্সেস প্লিজ।
She said we only go away. Then you can beauty. What we know all the time. Among the sounds of that's a good time to it's beautiful. The old people was ugly and broken away. Then he made some beautiful songs.
Okay, drove means তাড়িয়ে দিয়েছিল। Okay, so are these sentences familiar to you? পরিচিত লাগছে না? মনে হচ্ছে না এই সবগুলো দিয়ে তো আমার স্টোরি বুকে আমরা পড়েছিলাম এরকমই কিছু একটা, রাইট? সো দেখো তোমরা সবগুলো পড়েছো এলোমেলো সেন্টেন্স। which sentence may come first? কোন সেন্টেন্সটা আগে আসতে পারে তোমার কাছে মনে হচ্ছে? So what is the number of that sentence? F. So this is first sentence, that means number 1. তোমরা number 1 এর নিচে F লিখবা। What will be the next sentence? Can anyone tell me?
Among some of the ducklings, 6 were beautiful, one was not.
Very good. Then
Mother duck did not love him.
yes, মা হাঁসটা তাকে একদমই ভালোবাসতো না। 7. তোমরা এভাবে করে করে পড়ে পড়ে বাকিটা কভার করবা। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? যেহেতু এটা টেস্ট হবে অলরেডি আমি তোমাদের 3টা আনসার বলে দিয়েছি, আর বলতে পারবো না, আই এম সরি। Alright, and the last question is complete the sentences. That means here you will have 10 sentences, incomplete sentences. You have to complete the sentences. You have to fill up the blanks using more than 2 words or 2 words at least. Suppose, read question number 8 please. Once upon a time, there were dash. There were what? 7 eggs. That means 2 words, right? At least you have to write in 2 words. Then number B, 6 ducklings were beautiful. That means you have to write down the answer like this. 9, 8. You will write what? Once upon a time there were 7 eggs. Nothing else. You don't need to write down the sentence. Is it clear? 6 ducklings were beautiful. Okay, so I have made you understand how to attend the test and how to solve this and how to write this. Does anyone have any question now? Sure. If we give you the question today, will you be able to solve it by yourself? Okay, and আমরা হচ্ছে তোমাদের first story book এর লিংকটা দিয়ে দিব। Okay, we will give you the link of the story book, and then after a while we will give you the link of exam test. Okay, first you have to read down the story book. এখন স্টোরি বুকটা পড়ার সময় গতকালকে অনেকে কান্না করেছে, মিস আমি স্টোরি বুক ডাউনলোড করতে পারি নাই, I was not able to download the story book. তোমরা স্টোরি বুকটা ডাউনলোড করতে পারবে না বাবা, ওখানে ক্লিক করলে যে স্টোরি বুকটাই পাবা। যেমন আমাদের কাছে ফাইলগুলো আছে দেখো, এরকম ফাইলই তোমরা পাবা। Where is ugly duckling? You will get this exact same file. Okay, তোমাদের just পড়তে হবে। You have to read down the book. You don't need to worry how to download this. You don't need to download it, okay? You will just read the book. After that, when we will give you the link, you will attend the test, okay? And if we don't give you the link, don't worry. When you will come back to classroom, we will take your test like this. Clear? That's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.